So what we have is we have this unit, or this piece is snapped in place. And on the back of here, we've got 4, 5, 6, 7, about 15 of these clips. And the clips are just opened up and they go down inside the top of the solid dashboard. Now we've been selling these in carbon fiber for almost a year now with the Model 3, and now for the Model Y we're offering these as well as carbon fiber. So if you like carbon fiber, we also have a full carbon fiber upgrade kit, steering wheel, upper dash, upper, lower, everything. But if you like the smooth, warm feeling of Ultra Suede and Alcantara, this is it. You can see right out here, right outside the door, look at how it matches the door panels, perfect. So anyway, let's get started, and we'll move on with the 10-minute installation. So again, these are clips that hold on just with pressure. So what we have to do is you have to find a way to relieve the clips. So we have 2 of the tools that we sell in our very popular self DIY installation kit. We'll put a link here and we'll put a video of it, but there's a whole bunch of plastic tools and tabs, even a grommet tool repair kit. What we want to do is take a look at it. So as you lower this down, you can see the locations of the actual extension tabs that go into the clips. So we've got 1, 2. So what we want to do is relieve these first, and we work our way across, and we unsnap them all without doing any damage or breaking anything. So right now we've got this one here. So that is the location of the clip. So all you do is you put your hand in the back like this, and you get underneath it with the plastic tool. You can go from the front or the rear, it doesn't matter. And once the tool is in place here from a real high angle, like that, you can see that we're just gonna turn it while we pull up from the back. So you're lifting up and you turn. Lift up and turn. And they just unsnap one at a time. Now it does take some force. We don't want anyone to think it's easy, but so far we've gotten 1, 2. The third one's gonna come out next, right in the back. So you're just lifting right here and the third one's up. So that's 3. Now we have 4 right here. So this is a perfect guide, because then you're centering your tool right next to it and twisting it, okay? So that one's already off, sorry about that. Now we have no more in the front, and now we're at the back. So we got 2 here side by side. So again, I'm putting this tool in and sliding it all the way back here, and then I'm gonna twist it and pull up. So as I twist, I pull up, so it's putting a little pressure on it. And don't worry, it's super strong. We've even had some people send them back to us with missing 1 or 2. It doesn't make a difference. There's no rattling, there's no issues. You're just gonna have a real nice matching Alcantara piece. Okay, again, the trick is to get your hand underneath it from the back. This seems to make the biggest difference. So now I'm here, and my fingers are pulling up in the rear, just like this. And we're through. Now right there's the grommet. We turn and we pull up. See, it's not that hard. It looks a little challenging because it makes a little noise, but it's all just plastic. It's not gonna crack. It's a very, very strong ABS. So now I'm underneath here, lifting this up. So now there's a big gap. The front one released easy. And then we're almost done. Now we're in the middle here. And these are the ones that are usually the tightest, because we've got 4 of them located very close together, or actually 5. So that's why we do it a real nice and gentle. Get in the back and just pull up. So those 3 all just let go, and then 1 here in the front. And now you'll see when I turn it over that none of them are damaged. All of them are in place. So we've got all 3, 4, 5, 6. That's it. Now we'll do the installation. So again, you're going to send this back to us in the tube or the small box we sent to you. And then here is how we install it. So again, this is the longest pin here. Notice this in the very middle. So we have an open cavity. This is your alignment pin. This is the only one that verifies and confirms full alignment. So you have to get that one in this hole right there. Once that's in place, you just slide it over. We move it back and forth. We double check it, and it's good to install. Now, here's the installation. All we're doing, if you're looking here with a light, you can see we're going to line up each of these tabs with each of these metal clips. We forgot to mention, you want to make sure these are all pressed down. So see here, sometimes when we pull them up, when we remove the original dash, the little metal clips can get propped up. So go through each tab, push them down. See right here is a good example. Just push this back in place. Make sure they're all pushed down. That way you don't end up with any of them pushing through or going inside the dash. Those kind of things can happen if you come down with too much force. All right, this one here. So just count them all. Make sure they're all here. And then you're gonna put the dash, the new replacement, not the original one, not this plastic, they call this a textile. It's like rough, like sandpaper, right? Anyway, let's put this one right in the hole. Now, what we do is we take our hands and we just move it around and jog it and look underneath and make sure you're lined up right over there. And then watch, here's how we install it. That's one spot, one in the middle, and then watch this side. So this is loose. Tap, 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 tap. It's done. It fits perfect.